Peeps. 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 Peeps for Andy. Peeps, what color do you want? They're peeps.
Blue.
Well, you know what peeps are.
There's no way you could have ate all the green peeps in existence.
I did.
How is there a way that he could have ate all the green peeps in existence?
This is Andy's peep night. A peep moment.
Names!
This is our peep night.
I got Bugs, Lola, the Bird, Jimmy, Billy Bob, Billy Sue, Billy Ray, Billy Bob, Billy Jean, Billy North, Billy South, and Ronaldo.
This is his peep moment. Having a peep moment.
We are a peep
and I trust you.
Play with peeps?
Take one peep and put it in your hand. Take another peep and put it in your pocket.
Okay.
Who is the peep in the pocket?
God, no.
Here I am.
Yeah.
Here I am.
Oh my gosh, that was so good! Stop ruining our peep moment! Another one. This is our peep moment. All right, who is in the pocket?
The Bird.
Okay, what is his name?
The Bird.
His name's Bird?
The Bird.
The Bird.
Here I am. Here I am. Very nice. You heard the bird.
William!
I don't care if I heard a little fluffy marshmallow. You heard the bird stealing.
William!
Back here.
William!
Do it.
What are you doing? William, Jimmy, get those out of there right now! Wait, Andy, get those peeps out of there! Get those peeps out! Let Andy have his peeps!
Give me the peeps.
Let me... William! William! Don't do that! You can't marshmallow! You can't...
They're done now. What are you doing? Why? Why? Why?
That was so mean! Give me the peeps! William, give him his peeps! Hey, give him his peeps. Well,
Billy South, Billy North, Billy South, Billy West, Billy North. You're dancing, Billy, William! It's not
funny!
Let us in.
William! Open the door!
Let us in.